Why wait for tomorrow when you can shape your future today? Join our ChatGPT and AI course and witness the magic unfold in your professional life. Don't just dream about a big salary like 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 58 lakhs per annum. Make it a reality. Enroll now and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Here's some of the valid proof how my students achieved this. Next is you in line.
To understand what ChatGPT and what AI is all about and how it can help make a difference in the work that I do and take me to the next level in my career. Thank you.
Challenge crash course and friend trust me, it's a life-changing opportunity. Although I'm not the most technical person, but I'm always curious to learn about a new thing. When I saw the ChatGPT and AI tool in the package, I enrolled myself. And here I learned.
Yes, sir. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to you for introducing to us about this ChatGPT and AI. Your class is very engaging and it has ignited in me a sense of curiosity and enthusiasm to learn more and more about.
Hey, I am Samrat. One day I am scrolling my Facebook. I see 21 days AI ChatGPT Masterclasses by Manoj sir. I simply registered here, and after the one session, I know which type of career opportunity and freelancing work I can do.